The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 has succeeded in making a follow-up foldable phone that turns almost everything we hated the original Galaxy Fold into something great. Now in some sources, rumor news that for upcoming Samsung folding phone is unofficial name Galaxy Z Fold 3. In the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 may come with a dual hinges design and sliding keyboard as per a new report. It looks like Samsung is working on multiple folding phones, and one model that is rumored to be the Galaxy Z Fold 3. They show a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 like the design but another panel that also folds and has a sliding keyboard with an additional hinge that allow another screen to unfold, making it a long single display in its unfold form. One of the screens normally fold as it does on the Galaxy Z Fold 2, but the third screen folds outwards, allowing for usable display to always be the top. Additionally, from the sides of one of the folding screens, a sliding QWERTY keyboard can be seen with touch-sensitive keys. When it is completely folded, this phone is rendered looks quite similar to Galaxy Z Fold 2. The bezels are quite narrow all around, and there is a USB Type-C port as well. The renders show a hole punch design for a front camera depending on how you hold the phone, and a triple rear camera setup.